Attending the seminar, I've been doing detailing for a while. Just kind of want to broaden my horizons. There's always something new to learn, tips and tricks and stuff like that, and just want to gain more knowledge on it.
Just got out of school, looking for a career, trying to expand my skill set in interior and exterior cleaning.
I recently started my own auto detailing business. I like what Detail King is doing. Their products are great, and I wanted to get more insight to the business aspect of this industry.
Well, I've been following y'all ever since 2017, and I looked online, want to make my business go to a better place. Take my business to a different level.
I work for a dealership, and they have decided to have the detail department in-house, so I am managing it and need to learn a few things.
I'm here on behalf of our business. We're looking to take up our detail process to another level, and I'm just starting to take over the detail department, so heard good things and really enjoying the class so far.
There's always new things to learn. It's a never-dying industry, and it's just gotta learn new things, keep the business going.
Because I would like to start my own business so that I can provide service for people that live in a stressed environment. And New York City is a very fast-paced and stressful environment.
I'm the silent partner in a mobile auto detailing company, and I just wanted to, come here and, see what this is all about.
Business portion has been great. That was one of the main, not one of the main things, but one of the most important things I wanted to come. Knew a lot about social media and stuff like that, but things that he's been talking about, the sell your car program on like Craigslist and stuff like that, just things I never really thought of that once he brought it to my attention, it's like, that's a genius idea, it's great, and it's just awesome ideas that we're learning today.
Everything so far has been amazing, and the learning aspects, even with the market stuff they're teaching us, has been amazing so far. Can't wait to get my hands on to the cars and everything.
The business portion has been great. Nick is very friendly and knowledgeable, and it's a wealth of information that should be taken advantage of.
Man, when I get back home, I'm gonna change my business all the way around.
Oh, it's fantastic. I've learned a lot, especially the marketing end of it. That's going to help me out a lot when I go back.
Actually, it's if I'm being honest, this is what I was looking forward to the least, because I've been through a lot of sales training, but really learning a lot. So don't come in with any preconceived notions. There's always something to learn.
It's awesome, learning a lot of new things and just ready to learn more.
So far, it's shown me how to basically start a business, and not only a auto detailing business, it could be any business as well, and it's a wealth of information that I'm learning, especially being that it's the first day. It's in a short amount of time I'm learning a lot on how to go step by step on starting it and then making it fluid as I go along.
I think it's pretty spot on. Looks like it covers all the important stuff. I'm happy with it.
I loved it, very hands-on. Been to a couple detailing seminars and trainings before, and this is by far the most in-depth, thorough, a lot of things that I should be doing, I never have really been doing, so it's been great. Got to use a lot of different tools. Never handled the rupees before, that was great. Just overall experience was amazing.
Today's been amazing, getting my hands on the Rupas and the Flex, getting my hands on both of those. Can't wait to go back to my shop, share my experience with my teammates, and get them up to where I am now, finally, and can't wait to just bring in the money.
I love it. It's a great opportunity to expand my knowledge with great products and a really knowledgeable training staff. Very helpful, and I feel confident in everything I'm doing. I can't wait for tomorrow.
Got to learn a whole lot of things that I didn't know, use a lot of different tools. Some that I'm gonna buy when I leave here. Very excellent. Gonna take a lot of skills back home.
Oh, I loved it. Buffing was great, and I can't wait to start wet sanding and doing some paint repair when I get back to the dealership.
Awesome. It was a lot more hands-on than I thought it would be. It was running a machine the whole time I was in there. So.
It was great, learned a lot, got to use a bunch of different new tools. Can't wait to go get some and bring them home and start making that money.
So far it was excellent because I noticed a difference in how I used to clean my car in the past versus what I'm being taught here this weekend. Like I noticed how to take out the little scratches, the tar, the whole process of making it a deeper clean. And I didn't know that from before, so I'm very thankful for this.
I actually think it was really good. I learned a lot. I learned all the things I should have been doing to my personal cause over the years, and now when I get home, I'm going to do it.
It was incredible. A lot of steps that I felt like we would take at our shop that we could go above and beyond and do. I've worked with the steamer before, just never as in depth and thorough with it, and it was unbelievable, the results of everything.
Today with the interior detailing cleaning, we use the extractors, we use the tornadors, and both of those were amazing tools to use. I can't wait to go back to my shop and use those.
I loved it. I thought it was just as informative as the exterior training, and it was great to have some hands-on time with the products, and the entire training staff was excellent.
Great, man. I thought I knew a lot, but man, I learned a lot here today. And things to make my job more easy. But it was great.
I thought it was great. I learned things that I thought I knew that I really didn't know, and you know, showed me the right way to do it. The staff was fantastic. They really took their time and made sure that we knew exactly what we needed to do.
Well, fantastic, really in depth. We've got a really good process to take back to my store.
Oh, it was amazing. We learned a lot of different things, a lot of new things I'd love to take back to the shop and try out. Can't wait to get back there and get my employees the right tools to do the job.
This was very fun for me because I'm new to all of this, and to see how the vehicle looked prior to us cleaning and how it looks now after we finish, it's like a totally different interior. With all the spots being removed, the process, it's like a science to this. And I actually enjoyed it, especially doing it with other people that's here with me this weekend.
I think it was very comprehensive. It definitely took into account every aspect of the interior of the vehicle.
So many words, I don't know what to say. Like I said, when I first came here, I feel like I know quite a lot of stuff, but after this class, there's so many things that I just feel like I was in the dark about, and the knowledge is just unbelievable. Yes, 110%, and I will be back for more training for things.
The entire training weekend was insane. Walked into this place thinking I might know a little bit, but I walked in and they taught me everything, and now I feel like I know everything to take back to my shop. Yes, I would, not my competition, but I would refer anybody that wants to start their own business, to improve their detailing shop, to come here, learn with Nick, and the trainees here are amazing. They'll teach you everything.
I would definitely recommend it. It was a great experience, and I would say a must for anyone that's looking to start their own business.
Excellent. Man, it was excellent. Yes. And I will be back too for more training.
Hell yeah, I would. Definitely. I am so happy I came here and I learned so many things. I can't wait to go home and implement them.
Definitely. Oh, overall, fantastic. A lot more than I expected. Staff's fantastic, real stand-up guys. It was a good time.
Most definitely. A lot of training, like I said. I'd recommend anybody, even my competition, because it built up the industry. Once again, it was amazing. Very in-depth training. Would love to come back, do even extensive training on it.
I already started. I told 2 guys already. So that means yes, try to get as many people as I can to come. I love it. It was very exciting. Number 1, I get to leave New York for the weekend. Number 2, it's just being in an environment with good people and people that are ambitious and want to get their own thing going.
Absolutely, definitely. I think the training for the entire weekend was fantastic. The staff is very professional, very accommodating, a lot of patience, and they make sure that you get it right, and definitely a great experience.